Hey everyone, it's Anna here from For Real. Have you ever seen that frightening message saying your Apple ID is disabled and wondered, what the heck? Don't stress, it happens, even to the best of us. And guess what? We're gonna walk through it together, step by step, so you can unlock that Apple ID and keep the Apple goodness flowing. Let's go. Apple has this super secure system, which sometimes gets a bit overenthusiastic, and locks or disables your Apple ID if your password is entered wrong too many times. It's not being mean, just trying to protect you from any online baddies trying to break into your account. What a hero! Now, how do you know if your Apple ID has been locked? It's easy peasy. Apple will drop you some messages like, "This Apple ID has been locked for security reasons," or "You can't sign in because your account was disabled for security reasons." If you see these, your account's locked. As we're diving deep into this, hit that like button and subscribe to our For Real channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Don't feel shy to drop your comments too. We'd love to hear from you. All right, let's get you back into your Apple account. Grab a device and visit iforgot.apple.com to kick things off. It's easiest to do this on a computer, but you can use any device. You're gonna need to pop in your Apple ID username. That's usually the email address you used when you created your Apple ID. You can find it on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch in Settings, under your name, or on your Mac. Go to the Apple menu, then System Preferences, and then Apple ID. Next, Apple may ask for some personal details like security questions or a phone number linked to your account. This isn't necessarily your mobile number, but you need these to help Apple know it's really you. If things are going well, Apple will send a notification to your Apple devices. Unlock your device and tap Allow on the notification. You may have to enter a verification code or reset your password, but hey, it's a small price to pay for reclaiming your Apple ID. But what if you didn't get a notification or can't use your device? No sweat. Click Unable to access your device to get a verification code texted to your phone number. If you can't find the code, hit Did not get a verification code to resend the text or try a different phone number linked to your account. If you're still having trouble, don't worry, there's another route. You can use account recovery to verify your identity. Just heads up, it can take some days for this to work. But it gives Apple time to make sure it's really you and gives you a chance to cancel the request if it wasn't you. Last resort time, folks. If your Apple ID is still locked after all these steps, get in touch with Apple support directly. They'll walk you through what you need to do, but be ready for some more identity verification steps. So that's it, folks. You should now be able to sign back into your Apple ID on all of your devices. If you had to change your password, don't forget to update it on each device. And remember, keep that password safe and secret. This is Anna, signing off from For Real. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Show some love and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Until next time, peace out.